If you've been thinking about joining the Legacy Builder program, maybe you've been doing your research, you've been seeing people posting results. I want to share with you why I believe it's the best program to join this year if you want to make the most amount of money with the least amount of work, even if you're brand new. Now, I'm also going to share with you exactly what you're going to need to do in your 2-hour workday to start to generate income because I don't want any surprises if you do decide to get started. Now you can see on the screen right here that this was a $3,900 day I had a couple days ago. This was 4 $900 instant payments, and then I had a $300 commission come in just using this exact 2-hour process that I'm going to reveal to you as you continue watching this video. Now, I want to share before I dive into the very first step of what we teach inside of this program. There's going to be a link directly below that you can go to if you do see an opportunity for yourself or you do want to go ahead and get started. But let's get into it, okay? So these are the income producing actions in the 2-hour workday because a lot of people, maybe you've seen people on TikTok talking about this program, maybe you've seen people posting on Facebook and you're like, what are they doing, right? What are they doing in the 2 hours? What are people doing? Even right here, Craig 24 minutes ago, his $900 ding that came in on autopilot while he was praying. Okay, Lori, $900 while getting ready for bed, another $300 right here, $100. Okay, so people are just getting this commissions coming in over and over again on autopilot, and you're probably again thinking, how is this happening? Well, they're leveraging this exact 2-hour workday. So the very first thing we recommend is about 30 minutes a day, you're gonna post free ads on high traffic websites. Okay. Now, the reason we want to do this is we want to go where people are. When you join this program, you get access to 100% resale rights to sell these products as your own. So you don't have to create the products. And when people buy through you, you get paid instantly, directly, and 100% profit. So what we recommend is about 30 minutes a day. You go to these websites with millions of visitors and you post free ads that will attract people interested in this business. Now, these sites, we have a list of about 200 different websites with tons of visitors every day. These websites attract people that want to make money online, that want to work from home, that want to start their own business, people that are perfect for this business opportunity. And what happens is when you post these ads, that's going to start to attract people to you. Okay, you don't have to experience rejection. You don't have to cold message people. These ads are designed to generate comments and generate messages to you. People are going to start getting interested and wondering, okay, how does this work? Now, if you're wondering, how do I create these ads and what highly trafficked websites do I post to? You actually can learn exactly that inside of our training. Okay, now I'm inside of the Legacy Builder program right here, and you can see right here how to post free ads on the internet. So we have video training on exactly how to create ads, okay? We have exact lists of 200 free ad sites you can see right here, okay? And we have this website right here. Well, we will literally give you those exact sites. We even have tips for posting free ads. So you're going to know exactly what to do to post those ads. Okay. So you're going to be doing that about 30 minutes a day. People will start responding with interest. The next hour, okay, in this 2-hour workday is what we recommend is you spend 1 hour a day creating 1 to 3 pieces of content. Now, if you don't know what content is, it's basically just video, text, or a photo. And what we're going to do is create that content and we're going to post it on social media. Okay, this can be like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X as it's called, Pinterest. Okay, you want to post this on social media because you can actually promote on there for free, right? It's organic traffic and millions of people are on social media. So when you post this content, just like we teach inside the program, you're going to start to attract your perfect customer to you, right? We teach you how to create content that speaks to the problems and the pain of our perfect customer. And that's going to get people interested to have the solution. And the solution is going to be the products that we're selling, right? Now, if you don't know how to create content, again, if I go back inside the Legacy Builder program, you can see that training is constantly being added. Pinterest training right here, okay? We have the Instagram Reels strategy. If I go back, you can see we have TikTok training. Okay, so exactly how to understand the TikTok platform, creating your first videos, right? Now, what I recommend is, especially if you're brand new, you choose one social media platform to focus on and master. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to focus on and master one of these platforms and just focus on that and do that every single day. Okay, so in about an hour, you're going to create it. Now, it depends on whatever site you're on. If you're on Instagram, it may be spending about an hour creating 2 to 3 reels and posting those. If you want to create YouTube videos, you can create, 1 to 3 pieces of content. It could be a YouTube short, it could be a long form video. If you're on Facebook, you could post one post on your wall and two Facebook stories. That's 3 pieces of content. And again, if you don't know how to post the content, you just go through this simple training and we teach you exactly how to post to attract people to you. This is called attraction marketing. And what happens is people will start to respond. Now, the last 30 minutes of the day, all we have to do is respond to those CTA or call to action comments and emails. So if you ever get an email from someone interested or you get a response to one of these comments, all you have to do is send them the information. So that's the 2-hour workday and the income producing activities. Before I go, I want to share with you just this diagram here. These are the 3 simple steps to daily pay. This is exactly what everyone I shared with you, including myself, that was able to generate $3,900 in one day, are doing to generate daily pay, okay? So this right here and this right here, okay, this is all done for you inside of this program. So we actually give you a fully automated system that has a capture page, a sales page, and follow-up emails that will start converting your leads into sales. Your only job is to get people to go to your link, which is your capture page. And when people go there, they'll automatically get added to your email list and start getting followed up with through these emails, sending them back to the sales page. And when they decide to buy, you will actually get instant 100% profits because you own these products. They will pay you directly. Now, there's 4 levels, 100, 300, 600, 900. They can pay you in a Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Payoneer, and then you can transition this into a bank account, okay? This is all done for you. So the only thing you have to do is when you join and set up your system, which is very simple and easy, all you have to do again is attract perfect customers and send them to your link. And the 2 ways, like we talked about, is posting ads on high traffic websites and posting 3 pieces of content. This right here is your 2-hour workday, and all of this is done for you. Okay, that's all we teach is how to do this part, the traffic. So I hope you got value, my friend. I wanted to kind of demystify and share how simple this actually is. If you're interested in joining, just go to the link directly below, put your best email in, and I'll share with you much more information. If you have any more questions, be sure you comment it on this video, and also be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be sharing much more information in the future as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.